Tesla Cybertruck Hawaii, everyone. Today we're diving deep into the Tesla Cybertruck, a vehicle that has captured the imagination of the world with its bold design and innovative features. The Cybertruck was introduced with much fanfare, becoming one of the most talked about vehicles of recent years. It's a testament to Tesla's ability to push the boundaries of automotive design and technology. Under the hood, the Cybertruck is powered by a powerful electric motor or motors depending on the configuration. It boasts impressive acceleration and towing capacity, making it a capable vehicle for both everyday use and demanding tasks. The Cybertruck's angular and futuristic design is unlike anything else on the road. Its exoskeleton construction is said to be incredibly durable and resistant to damage. Inside, the Cybertruck offers a minimalist and functional interior with advanced technology features. The Cybertruck's unique selling points include its rugged design, impressive performance, and advanced technology. It's a vehicle that challenges traditional notions of what a pickup truck can be. With its electric powertrain, the Cybertruck offers a sustainable and efficient option for those seeking a capable and innovative vehicle. The Tesla Cybertruck is a groundbreaking vehicle that has captured the world's attention. Its futuristic design, powerful performance, and innovative features make it a truly unique offering in the electric vehicle market. Whether you're looking for a practical workhorse or a statement-making vehicle, the Cybertruck is sure to impress. Like, share, and subscribe the video.